In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add horizontal line on Microsoft Teams chats. This is a simple way to break up long messages, separate topics, or highlight action items so your teammates can scan your post quickly and understand what matters most. Start by opening the chat where you want to write your message. Look at the message box at the bottom of the screen. Before you type, click the Show Formatting Options button. This expands the full editor, giving you access to richer tools like fonts, colors, and layouts. If you don't see it right away, hover near the Compose area and it should appear beneath the box. Expanding the formatting options is important because the divider we're after isn't available in the compact view. With the formatting toolbar open, find the three-dot icon on the right side of that toolbar. This is the More Options menu. Give it a click to reveal additional formatting features that aren't shown by default. Teams keeps some tools tucked away here to keep the main toolbar clean, so this is where you'll discover the horizontal line option. From the menu that opens, select Insert Horizontal Rule. The moment you click it, Teams will drop a clean, thin line right into your message. It stretches across the message width, creating a visual break that makes your content easier to read. You can type above the line, press Enter to move your cursor below it, and continue writing. It's perfect for splitting a summary from details or separating meeting notes from follow-up tasks. If the line lands in the wrong spot, you don't need to start over. Place your cursor near it, press Backspace or Delete to remove it, and then reinsert it where you want it. You can also cut a nearby section of text and paste it above or below the line to restructure your message without losing your formatting. The divider will send just like any other text, and everyone in the chat will see it the same way across desktop and web versions. A quick recap to lock it in. Open your message, expand the formatting options, use the three-dot menu on the toolbar, and choose Insert Horizontal Rule. That's all there is to it. Use lines to separate sections, call out important updates, or keep long posts tidy and skimmable. With this small touch, your team's messages will look more professional and be far easier for your audience to follow.